Hey, nonfiction writer. Every Wednesday, I have a new tip to help you write better sentences because when you break down great writing, it's all about crisp, punchy, powerful sentences. I'm Stephanie, and in 2008, I created Revision Fairy. Since 2014, I've been Copyblogger's editor-in-chief. Copyblogger is one of the biggest and best copywriting and content marketing websites on the planet. So if you're looking for more than just one person can create every week on YouTube, definitely head over to Copyblogger. I also make meditation music, so if you ever need a quick break during the day to drop the stress and reset so you can move forward, check out my 7-minute meditation break music videos on the Quartz Sound LA YouTube channel. Links to everything that I just mentioned will be in the description box of this video and also in the About section of the Revision Fairy YouTube channel. Speaking of the Revision Fairy YouTube channel, if you want to hang out with me every week, click the red subscribe button below the video and tap the notification bell so you get a little note every time that I publish. The videos are only 3 minutes or less, so you'll definitely have time to fit them in. Sometimes you just need a little reminder that I have a new goodie for you to spice up your Wednesday. That is it for now, so get your fingers back on that keyboard and I'll see you in the next video.